Buttons. Line buttons. The 6 line buttons with integrated LEDs show which lines are in use and correspond to the lines in the display. Press a line button to select that line. Soft keys. The soft key labels show you the action that each key produces. The labels and the actions vary depending on the object that is selected. Message. Press the message button to connect directly to your voicemail system. Navigation arrows. Use the right and left navigation arrows to navigate between menus or to move the cursor during text input. From the idle phone, press the left or right arrows for the feature list. Use the up and down navigation arrows to scroll through lists. OK. Press the OK button for a shortcut to an action. For example, when you select a call log entry, pressing OK dials the number. Phone, exit. This key is used to exit any menu you are in and return to the phone screen to view and manage your calls. Contacts. Press Contacts to view the entries in your contact list. Menu. This key is used to access a menu for phone settings and information. Call log. Press Call log to view a list of your outgoing, incoming, and missed calls. Forward. Press Forward to display the forwarding menu. This will bring up your Send Calls button and any other optional forwarding features you may have requested. Energy saving. Your administrator may place this icon on one of your soft keys as an energy-saving measure. Pressing this soft key turns the display backlight off. When the backlight is off, any activity on your phone turns it back to the normal level.